Today, we are here with Dr. Lisa Concilio, um, and she works in a major California university, nurturing being a nurse and tomorrow's challenges. So, how are you doing, Miss Lisa, today?
Good,
Dr.
good,
Lisa?
good. Thank you, Anthony. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity to help the next generation of nursing students, not just nurses, but we're students before we become nurses.
That's
Don't be
very true.
afraid. That's, I think, the biggest thing that I hear is, oh, I'm afraid, I'm so scared, I'm not good enough. You are not born to know the content. You're born to care. I cannot teach anyone how to care. And I think, Anthony, as a fellow nurse, you realize what nurses do and don't do that exhibit caring behaviors. And you brought up the fact that what do we do in lecture when students struggle to pay attention? Well, as you know, every lecture, every teaching is a two-way communication. It's not just me telling students what to know. I think in order to be help students engage, we have to learn how to talk to them in a large lecture format, how to engage them. So we have to put more practices on developing faculty, lectures, integrating different strategies to hold their attention because Generation Y is a very different generation than when you and I went to school.
Oh my God.
And it's okay. And as you mentioned in the beginning of today, we don't know our audience very well. And so we're going to grasp onto, if we want to know, maybe social media and research, and also sometimes how the media portrays Generation Y. It's not always the truth, but it's a little glimpse inside what might be happening to those 100 people that are sitting in your lecture hall. Yeah, and I don't know, that's just how I envision it. I try to have a lot of grace. I try to have a lot of openness and an understanding that not everyone is like me that's sitting in that chair. Their struggles, their personal issues, their experiences, they're experimenting in their college life with many different things, finances, not being independent, making choices daily, sleep habits. You'll be surprised on how many things you'll try just to try them in order to find out it's not for you. And I think that's the normal path for humans.